This is Janine Pettit, brand ambassador for Go RV and founder of Girl Camper. I'm here in my RV and I just arrived and I'm going to be gone for a week. One of the ways that I plan my food when I travel is by making a meal plan before I go, shopping that plan, and then sticking to the plan. So one of the reasons I like to have a meal plan is because if I don't, I'm subject to availability and prices in whatever tourist town I'm in. I may have a taste for something and think, oh, on Wednesday, I'm going to have a T-bone. I'm going to treat. I'm going to grill something great on the grill. And it's not there, or it's there and it's very, very expensive because I'm in a tourist town. So I make a meal plan, I shop that plan, and then I try to stick to it as best I can. Now, I always leave a day or two window in my meal plan in case there's a great local restaurant or I get a tip from somebody about a great place with pulled pork that you don't want to miss. So I leave some flexibility in there, but I start off with a plan. Now, when I get to the campground, I have this plan, but I do have flexibility in it in that I can choose what I want to eat that day because I've got it with me. One of the things I like to do is the week before or 2 weeks, whatever I have going on, I like to take any leftovers that I have and I put them in single serving bags. I just cleaned up a big pile of chili and I've got 3 individual bags of chili. If you take a ladle, the ladle that you have for soup, a ladle is generally 1 cup. 1.5 ladles to me is a single serving. When I put those in a freezer bag and I flatten them, then I can stack them up with these little trays from the dollar store. And these things will hold 8 or 10 meals flat in the freezer. It takes up much less room. When I feel like, tomorrow I think I'm going to have that chili, take that out. Make sure you defrost it in the refrigerator. Don't defrost it on the countertop. So I have meals to go. I always have a bag or 2 of shredded rotisserie chicken in a freezer bag that I can throw in a can of cream of whatever, mushroom, cheddar cheese. I can make something out of that, or just get a great salad and throw that chicken on top. Now, speaking of salads, one of the ways that I make sure I have room in my refrigerator is when I buy salad and it comes in this, the minute I get home, I take that out, I get it in a freezer bag, and I get all the air out of it. Just like the freezer bags, I can stack these things up in the refrigerator, and they take up a lot less room. Another trick, when you're at the grocery store before you go, if you have a thing in your head like, oh, I think I want an Asian salad. If you go to the salad bar and you buy a little container, you put all the little things in there that would go with an Asian salad. The Chinese noodles or the little nuts or the cranberries or the things that are on the salad bar, put those in a little Ziploc bag once you get home, and then you're not buying a bag of noodles, a bag of nuts, a bag of little accessories that go in your salad. Everything you need for that salad is there, and you don't have all these extra things. So that's something I've been doing for years and years now. To keep my refrigerator organized while I'm gone, I buy these trays from the dollar store. I like these because there's airflow in them, and I'll put one of them here. Everything in this basket is something I'm going to use for lunch. So rather than opening my RV fridge, staring into the big abyss, looking for something, I know that when I pull this out, this is everything I need to make a sandwich. So I've got all the lunch meat in here. I've got a little snack in here. If I'm just going to have cheese and crackers, I can take this out, use what I want, and then put that thing back in the refrigerator, and I don't have to lose all the cold in my refrigerator. Another thing that I do in the fridge is condiments. I don't want the giant jars, so I buy the smaller. You're going to pay a lot more upfront for it at first, but I keep these in the side door of my refrigerator in a separate container like this. Now, when I get home, I just take this whole thing into my house and I put it on the door of my fridge at home. Over the course of the summer, I may top these things off, but I'm not going to buy it over and over. And when I'm ready to go and I'm jumping in my RV, I just grab this and I put it on the shelf in my refrigerator. And that makes it really convenient. Another thing I do to stay organized in my pantry space here is I employ the same baskets, and I take these things. I use a lot of quick rice and things that are pre-made, especially when I'm camping. I'll open one of these chicken Alfredo things, and then I will throw in the shredded chicken that I already have, and I have a nice hot meal. So I can stick this in the cabinet. I've got all my things there, and it just makes it really easy to go. Quick, easy, fun meals, and it leaves me more time for all the things I want to do at the campground. So here's a few of my pantry tips for RVing. I hope you enjoy your summer on the road.